on bass.
Where? What's up, guys? You already know. We're back with another video. We just come out of Walmart. So we went to Walmart planning to spend $20 each. Well, it didn't work out that way. I spent 38 something and Jackson spent 72. So he was good. But I'm gonna show you when we get to the house what all we got. And then we're gonna go fishing in the creek. So when we get back to the house, catch you there. Peace. Guys, we made it back to the house with all this stuff, and I'm about to show you what all we got. What all I bought. Jackson just bought a reel because his broke this morning, and 2 things of fishing line. I bought a Plano waterproof box, and I got some of these Yum grub, and then I got a cotton Ordell super spot 3/16 ounce 5 gram. I got a whole bunch of rooster tails because we're going down in the creek. Remember, we're trying to make a creek fishing video, and if all else fails, we're gonna troll the boat over there to the corner, and if all else fails, if we don't catch anything in the creek, we're gonna troll around the edges and try to catch some bass. But yeah, I brought some 2-aught hooks. I bought a booyah spinnerbait, little one. I bought some 1/8 ounce weights. I bought some Senkos that we're gonna cut in half to use. Bought some more grubs. I bought a Z-Man or a frog, and then I bought a chatterbait, like a little chatterbait, and I got some trailers for that. And then I got some little 88-cent hook. Okay, so we got all that for about $38, but we were only trying to spend 20 each. Jackson spent 20.72, and then I spent 38 something because, you know, I'm dumb, but you know. All right, well, we're gonna troll over there to the dam and tie off, and then we're gonna go to the creek, and I'll get back at you when we're over there. See that pocket? That's where we're gonna go. You can fish here too, but I like going to the pocket. It's been a while since I've been back here. Sorry about the sound of the waterfall, but I can't do nothing about it. It's just nature. Just like wind. You know how wind sucks. Oh yeah. We're about to catch some monsters. I doubt it, but we're gonna catch some. No, at least we will catch some. Look, you can already see them. You can see them in the water already. It's so overstocked down here. You don't see them? Look, see all of them over there?
Oh yeah.
And they're in the middle. You can stay over here. I'm gonna go over here to the rock. Look at all of them. All fish. You did? I told you. I told you. Jackson's already getting hit up. So we're both starting off with rooster tails right now. so we can catch some. Hopefully. If I don't bust my tail. Trying to get over here to this rock. Let's put that down right there. Start off with this rooster tail. Hope y'all can see. I'm using an 8-pound test. It's fun coming down here. Except for the rocks. He's got one. Oh, he came off. He didn't believe me. I told him no. That was a big one. They won't stay on Jackson's hook. That was a pretty good one, dude. That was like the one you caught this morning. Oh. It's one thing I don't like about down here, the rocks. Got one. Got one. Oh yeah. Little rock bass. Hey. You do? Oh man. Number one from creek fishing right here, boy. All right, that's number one, boy. My pole fell in the water. Cause I can't cast really. There's a whole bunch of rocks over there. There we go.
Oh, I got one. Oh, I have one.
Whoa, that's deep.
Oh, yeah. Oh,
Oh.
oh, dude, I had him on. I might catch that video and watch it. Oh,
If I keep doing that, I swear. I don't see how this happened. There we go. Finally. I told you there's a whole bunch of rocks. It's shallow right there though. Got one. Got one. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, this one's fighting. Oh. Oh. That one was big. I swear. Go get it. That one was big. Got one. Oh, it came off. Dang it. Got one. Crappie? It's filled with stuff, dude.
You know what we need to do?
Huh? Oh, he swallowed that thing, dude.
One day we need to like edge him and go put him back in the lake.
Can you get the pliers? Huh?
Oh, yeah.
You thought you had one. Don't break it off. Don't even pull on it. Just go get it. Yeah, got one. Oh, that was a big one. It wasn't even coming in. It was coming in though, a little bit.
Yeah, that's like so shallow right there.
Somebody's been walking down through here. Something or somebody's been walking down through here.
Yeah.
Probably deer or turkey. Oh.
I was going to cross it.
Good night. Pretty nice bass, pretty nice. Pretty nice. Oh, look at that one's fat. It's either pregnant or just ate something. I think it just ate something.
I think it did too. Ate something big. Hold it.
Oh yeah, look how fat that freaking thing is. It ate something here. Oh, right when it hit, something took it.
Really?
Yes. You about to get one. I'm glad I got good reflexes.
Oh, I just got hit with something.
Playing baseball with freaking fishing poles. Got one?
Real?
Mm-hmm.
Oh yeah. Chauffeur.
Hey, yeah. Come on, baby.
These guys like to play with it and then they go hit it.
Oh yeah. I told you it was good down here. There's everything, cause when they drained it, everything come down here, dude.
Real?
Yes.
They drained this?
Yeah, they drain the lake every 10 years and restock it, I think.
No.
Don't no. The freak you doing? You're an idiot, dude. Why would you do that? It didn't break. It's back there. If you can get it, don't break it. Like, what the freak? Oh yeah.
You got one?
No.
Oh,
Thought I did, but
you did some now. Oh yeah. Oh, he hit.
41 minutes. Oh, got it. Stick or snake. Alright, I'm gonna do one more catch. I'm gonna let the GoPro take a little break.
You want to cross it? Can't see deep.
That looks pretty deep right there. Over there to the left.
Find out.
Huh?
Find out.
Heck yeah, bro. Come on, dude. What you waiting for, bro? Oh. Put my stuff down. Oh. That's probably gonna get deep, just to say.
Oh, it's big as awesome. Oh, I think.
Oh. Damn.
It drops off right here.
It drops right here too. Oh. I thought you had one. Turkey. Got one. Yeah. Oh yeah. Shh.
You swallow it.
No, but it's in him pretty good. Oh yeah, guys. For the release. Got one.
Again?
Yeah. Get out of here. No. Barely at him. Ow, ow, ow. Ew. Damn.
Another one?
No, that wasn't me. That was a bass. That was a fish, though.
Tried to blow up on it.
I guess.
Oh, it overflowed my bait. Oh my friend. We do have one. Good God. That's a big one.
Hiya, sugar! Oh yeah!
Good. Y'all hold that thing and we get y'all a picture.
Oh yeah! Hold on, boy. Oh yeah!
1, 2, 3. Alright, you good. Key on, boy, key on.
Look at that hook set, boy. Look at that hook set. Oh yeah.
Good.
Mm. Oh yeah.
Let's go.
Boy, I fought hard. You got my picture?
I told you.
Oh yeah, boy. Number 2. Oh
Good
my
God.
freak.
Got to have help with this.
Oh yeah. Number 2. Oh yeah, boy. What number is that?
I don't know. We caught a lot.
Oh yeah. Freak yeah, dude. Look at her.
Yeah,
Sick.
that's nice.
Alright guys, well that's gonna be the end of the video for today. We caught, how many we catch? I just caught 2. I caught one this morning. Jackson caught one this morning. We caught a whole bunch in the creek. So we had a pretty good day. But I'll catch y'all later. And let's see. There should be another video out pretty shortly. I might break this video up into 2, so y'all have more to watch. But go subscribe, go like. Hope y'all like the channel. Bye-bye. Bye.